In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Canva Text Box. If you've ever looked for a traditional paragraph indent in Canva and couldn't find one, you're not alone. Canva doesn't offer a dedicated indent control like some word processors do, but you can still create clean, consistent indents using a couple of simple techniques. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips so your text looks polished and aligned. Start by opening Canva and heading to your design. Once your project is on screen, click into the text box you're working with and place your cursor at the very start of the line or paragraph you want to indent. This is important because the indent will only apply from where the cursor sits. Next, press the spacebar several times to create the amount of space you want. Keep an eye on the text as you do this so you can judge the visual indent. The exact number of spaces you'll need can vary based on your font and size, since different typefaces take up different widths. If you change the font or the size later, you may need to adjust the spaces slightly to keep things even. If your paragraph continues onto a new line and you want the next line to match the same indent, press Enter to create that new line, then use the spacebar again at the start of that line. For a consistent look, try to use the same number of spaces each time. You can quickly compare by toggling your cursor back to the first line and counting if needed. Consistency is key here, especially in longer paragraphs, so take a moment to align everything before moving on. For more control, consider placing the indented line in its own text box. Create a separate text box for that line, then drag it into place. As you move it, Canva's pink alignment guides will appear to help you line the text up precisely with other elements on your page. This approach is useful when you want very specific spacing that's easier to adjust independently of the rest of the paragraph. It also makes fine-tuning alignment a bit more predictable, since you're moving the entire text block rather than counting spaces. That's it. Thanks for watching.